My name is Marlon, and welcome to my presentation on the annotated portfolio. Portfolios in professional practice and summative assessments. So in the fine and applied arts, assessment of portfolios is a common and well-accepted practice. Painters, photographers, architects, and graphic designers submit samples of their work to future employers, admission committees, galleries, and foundations. What you do not find is portfolios being used so much so for formative assessments. The annotated portfolio is the answer to that. What you have on your screen is an example of student work on the website behance.net. But the kind of work showed here is normally a summative assessment when students have completed years of study. The annotated portfolio, on the other hand, is a powerful tool for assessment for learning. Annotated portfolios used for classroom assessment contain a very limited number of examples of creative work, supplemented by the student's own commentary on the significance of those examples. So the students get to show and tell their instructors themselves how their creative and self-evaluative skills are developing. So as you see on your screen, it helps students to present, to evaluate. They get to self-assess and also open themselves up to peer assessment, and collaboration is facilitated by the platform. Files can be shared, etc. And there's also the potential for reflection with blog posts or with the insertion of Google documents, right? So the annotated portfolio is very powerful in that sense. In terms of its use, who can use annotated portfolios? Annotated portfolios have clear applications in courses like the visual arts, creative writing, music, dance, drama, and broadcasting. However, I think other disciplines like education may also make use of them with creative teachers. Here's an example of a student e-portfolio that can be facilitated with this. Thank you very much for joining me. And what I forgot to mention that I adapted the annotated portfolio from Classroom Assessment Techniques by Angelo and Cross. Their version was not done digitally. It was set up for face-to-face classes, but I considered Google Site as a powerful tool to bring it into the digital age with a Web 2.0 tool. So thanks again for checking out this presentation. Hope you try the annotated portfolio.